Thanks for watching Spectrum News 1, everybody. I'm meteorologist Robert Suhr back with you. Another look at that forecast. We're going to start with some climatological items with this update. Average high this time of the month when we start November is 65, but by the end of the month, we're already down to 54. So losing about a degree every other day or so across the tri-state. 42 average low around this part of the month, but by the end, we're right around the freezing mark. Coldest temperature ever at Bowling Green in November, 7 below zero in 1950. That is absolutely frigid, but the other end of the spectrum, 1909, we had a temperature of 88 degrees. 1900, extremely wet, well over almost 11 inches of rainfall. November of 1900, and even snowfall has happened in November here in Bowling Green. 8 inches fell in November of 1966. So definitely can be wet and white in November. Typically, normally in November, we get about 3 3/4 inches of precipitation throughout the month. And we do have rainfall in the forecast. We'll talk about that here in a few minutes. But temperatures over the next week or so look to remain above average, but that will come with increased rain chances. No rain today, though. Bowling Green, Owensboro, nothing to worry about. A very pleasant day with temperatures for the most part in the upper 60s, maybe a couple of isolated lower 70s. Notice here by this afternoon, just a couple of high clouds starting to increase their way through the tri-state. But tonight, no problems. Waking up tomorrow morning, seasonal, a little crisp as you wake up for services Sunday morning, or maybe you're headed off to the gym. But clouds will increase as we go through the afternoon as a warm front approaches, and we could see a couple of showers possibly scraping along the Ohio River, but that would be the exception rather than the rule, I think. Overall, nice and dry today, a sunny and pleasant day with high temperatures about 4 or 5 degrees above average, upper 60s to lower 70s across the area. And then tonight we will be right around average, if not above average, with those overnight lows here into the 60s as that warm front gets a little bit closer to us. And you look at the extended forecast, lots of sunshine with that isolated shower on Sunday. Best chance for rain, unfortunately, will come on Election Day, lasting into Wednesday.